Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we're ending our lives.
Yeah.
I have here blazing wings from the one, the only Buffalo Wild. Take a whiff.
Oh, it smells worse than me.
They've been sitting in the fridge for 6 days. And I looked it up earlier, it said 4 days in the fridge, it will be safe, and anything after that, it's unsafe to eat. We might get
AIDS.
We have water here, with it, and that's for only like helping with the coughing, even though it makes it worse.
I'm actually really hungry, so.
Where you already bit into it? Okay, you gotta eat the whole thing.
Oh, yeah.
Don't touch your eyes.
Oh, it is so hot. I'm so hungry though.
Don't touch your eyes. Mm-hmm.
Hungry.
Mm.
Oh, no. How much did you eat?
What do you mean? Can't feel my mouth. Water.
Just pain. Oh, ooh. Mm. Why did I do this?
With water. It's down.
If I keep drinking it, it goes away.
Oh, but when you stop drinking, it comes back like worse. It hurts to breathe. It hurts to breathe.
It's all good now. Right, Chief? All good.
I'm leaking.
I don't want to get sweat on my hands, so I stole this cap. I'm a good boy.
Fucking leaked all over my thigh.
It's all good now.
Alright, Chief. This is only like a fourth what the ghost pepper actually is.
Pussy.
The ghost pepper is not even the hottest wing, the hottest pepper.
Oh.
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 So.
Sound good though.
Yeah, it's all good.
What is that for? I don't want to suck your pussy juice.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. Next time, subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment on what your favorite type of Chinese massage is. See you guys later. Next one. Oh, you're lucky. Your hand was there.
My thumb is broken now, thank you.
Hey guys, quick little update. Here's how he's doing. We're about to like shit ourselves, literally. that was the most painful thing I've ever experienced. And now we have to hold in the shit for like an hour straight. So, because he's going home after this, I'm gonna have to drive him home, and I'm hoping I don't shit myself in the car. So.